Hi, it's me, K10, and guess what? I got invited to a party. And I was thinking the most crafty, best thing I could ever bring to a party is a paper chain. Paper chains are so fun. You can put them up and decorate everywhere. And I was thinking we could make one that is 100 loops long.
Whoa, that is a really long chain.
So I think we should really start it now. And I have only 3 things that we're going to use today to make it. I have paper, I have scissors, and I have tape. And you can, of course, use glue or a stapler to do the loops too, but I really like using tape because it's quick. So to get started, we're going to need to pick out some paper colors that will be good for the chain.
Woohoo! Yellow, purple, black, pink, green, blue, orange, red, brown.
To make these loops, there's an easy way to do these loops. You could just cut, which is easy enough, but if you want really straight lines, I'll show you an easy trick. So each paper will give us about 8 strips of paper. So take your paper, fold it, line that up. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're going to take this side, we're gonna fold it, just like so. Other side, fold it. And then we're going to take these sides and we're gonna fold them again so that we'll get 8 kind of lines that are just the perfect length for a strip. So now we have a guideline for how we can make our strips for our paper chain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a few of these pieces of paper and I'm gonna cut along the lines so that we can make a whole bunch at once. So look at that, we just did 1 cut, but we got 6 loops for our paper chain. And if we're trying to make 100 loops, we gotta keep cutting.
Wow, K10 still has 94 more strips to cut. Can she do it? Let's find out.
Boom, there's another 6.
Keep going.
Stretch that out. And we're just gonna do the same that we did here, over here. And we'll have a whole bunch of papers to make loops in no time. We have 100 strips of paper to now make into our paper chain. Okay, so I'm gonna take our beautiful pile here and we're gonna make the first loop. It's super easy, you just loop it like this.
1.
And you're gonna take some tape and you make a loop like that. You can just take the tape and wrap the tape around. And because this is for a party, these loops can just be fun. They can be measured any way you want. But see that? It kind of loops on really nicely with that tape. And then our next loop, you loop it through. So you stick it right through and around.
2.
And you get another piece of tape. And you tape this part just like so. Just around like that. Secure it. Nice. So then we just make a bunch more loops.
98 more loops to go. How will she do it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Only 10 more to go! Whee! 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
And our last loop we're gonna make for number 100, it is our blue loop.
100!
Check this out. Wow! This is our Crafternoon creation. We made a chain that is 100 loops long, and we did it with just paper, scissors, and tape. This is gonna look so great at the party. I can't wait to see it hanging up. Well, thank you so much for having another Crafternoon with me, K10. Bye! Thank you so much for watching K10's Crafternoon. If you love making crafts as much as I do, and you love making them with me, make sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube at K10 Crafternoon. Make sure you ask a parent to help you out.